White coupe but a pecan, thick bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvie, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend, you know we spin the bin.
Okay, so pretty much you're gonna need to just have your favorite pair of leggings like I do here, and I'm just pretty much cutting around it. I am leaving it about 1.5 inches for some seam allowance. You want to make sure you do that. I did fold this over, so my leggings are like yoga pants type of leggings, so my pants are going to be high-waisted. So you want to be careful if you don't want them high-waisted. Make sure you pick some leggings that are not high-waisted, just so you can trace it, get a better visual of tracing it. So I'm just doing this for both pant legs, doing the exact same process. I flipped it over so it can be equal, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pin them on down, and wherever we pin is where we're going to sew. Okay, so this is the crotch area. We haven't sewn, this is like the crack of the butt, so we haven't sewn that part. We sewn everything else and flipped it inside out. So this side and this side to the crotch area here, leaving like the butt crack part open. So we're just gonna put that here, and this one is inside out. So to sew the crotch area, I'm going to put that one inside of here. So one is facing out, one is inside out. I mean, you know, one's the correct way pretty much. This one is inside out. And I'm going to put that one inside of this one. And so, let me lift it up so you can tell. It's kind of hard how I'm doing it, but so you see, I don't know if you can see, yeah, so that's the crotch area. So we're going to be sewing this part, the crack of the butt in the front. Pretty much I'm just using my hand, and I put the one that was facing out the correct way, and then I'm just going to do like this. I'm lining the seams up with my hand, and then I'm just going to line that up as best as I can. Pretty much this is what we have. So now that you can kind of see what I meant by this, this is where the crotch area is, and this is where we pinned. So if I open it up, it looks just like this, like another pant leg, but it's inside out. So about time we take that pant leg out, it's pretty much gonna be pants. Like, you guys will see. So okay, so while you guys are watching this clip of me sewing that piece together, I'm just gonna go ahead and go over again if you guys did not understand, because I feel like I wasn't explaining it well enough. But pretty much what I did was, of course, in the beginning we sewed both of the sides of each pant leg. Now to connect both of the pant legs, I put one of the pant legs inside of the other, inside out. So pretty much the only fabric you're going to be seeing is the wrong side fabric, not the right side, which is the velvet material that I'm using. So that's pretty much what I was trying to explain. I hope that that made sense, because I felt like when I was watching this and editing the video, I wasn't making no sense. So I was just like, let me go ahead and just do a little voiceover just so you guys can understand. So here, that part right here where I'm sewing right now on the machine, I had a little trouble doing that part. Well, it went over smoothly, clearly, but once I tried the pins on, it was a little too baggy in that area. So I did have to go in another 2 inches for my liking with the pants. So they didn't fit exactly how I wanted them to fit to begin with. I did have to hem them up a bit more. just because I'm very, very petite, like I'm tiny. So I wanted them to be somewhat tight on me. So yeah. So right after I finished, this is how the pants were looking, and now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the waistband. So I pretty much measured my waist, and I think I was like a 22, something like that, 23, I don't know, but I'm gonna show it on camera, I think. So I went ahead and measured my waist so we can put a band on the pants. You could keep it like it was in the clip before this, but I wanted a band just so my pants wouldn't slide down. It'd just be more fitted and professional looking. So that's pretty much what we're about to do here in these clips, and then we're gonna move on to the bottom of the pants. Okay, so here I did mess up. See, there's like 3 stitches and I kept going over. That's fine, because I'm gonna end up cutting the rest of the excess off. I messed up here as well, which was an easy fix because I really wasn't measuring, y'all. I was just going with the flow. But it's pretty much here to attach the waistband to the pants. You're gonna make sure it's upside down and line the stitches of the back up. So this is the back of the pants. Make sure the stitches are lined up, and then you're gonna sew around the top and flip it back out. Let's waistband it back out. So pretty much it's just like making some yoga pants, the top of yoga pants. That's pretty much what I did. So I did make a mistake in the lining. Once I flipped it out, you could see the back, which is supposed to be flipped a different direction, but you know, we're not gonna go into that. So yeah, but pretty much this is what I did to make the waistband. And then I didn't insert any clips of me making the bottom of the pants as far as like cutting out the fabric, because it's just really repetitive. I cut out rectangles again, sewed it just like I did with the pants, and then I just attached it. But I'm going to show you guys how I attached it. The stack part of the pants is what I'm talking about. So yeah. So this is the whole pants, right? It's normal. So this is the end of that pants leg of this. This is that extra fabric that we cut off. And let me turn the camera this way. This is the extra fabric that we cut off. And pretty much you want to put this inside out and put it, it's hard to explain. I hope this, just looking at it, just is easier, because trying to explain, I'm not that good. But pretty much this is inside out. You want to put the pants leg inside of this. This is the bottom of the leg. Put the bottom in first, where the calf is going to be, and then I literally just sewed across. Now don't sew it like this. Do not sew it like this straight across. Make sure it's open, because you will be sewing both of the pant legs together. So I just sewed across all the way. So when I turn it inside out, when I turn this the right way, it'll work. So you can cut this off, but I didn't cut it off yet, and thank God I didn't, so I can show you guys. So when you turn it the right way, this is what it looks like. Just an extended, the color looks so red on this camera. So it's just extended, and it's literally perfect. So this is the extended pant leg. And then you can just hem the bottoms. Hem the bottom of it to make it a little bit more professional looking. Just hem the bottom of it, and yeah, and then you're done. Cut all the strings. It looks more professional that way, or you could just keep it how it was. So by the time you put the pants on, this is from here to here. This is everything that's going to be scrunched up. So this is literally where my ankle is like right here, like pretty much in this area where I sewn down. You can make it as long as you want it, as scrunchy and dramatic as you want. I put this on my leg before I attached it to my pants to see how much scrunch I was going to achieve with it. So I knew this is how long I wanted it. I could have made it long. And then also you want it to, I don't know if I said this, but you want it to create like a little small flare out. If you want more of a flare out, you'll just, you know, have the fabric to go out. But mine's is just like about 1.5 inches, 2 inches wider than my actual pant leg. So it can create like a little flare by the time it gets down to my ankles. So this is how the pants turned out. I'm super excited how they turned out. I want to make them in every single color. So if you guys did find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It, that probably take 'em.